Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a job on Indeed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed job search application on your device. And once it is opened up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. So go ahead and use your credentials in order to log into your account. And once you have been logged in, you will be allowed to look through the various different jobs. Now, if you're an employer, click on the employers option at the bottom and you will find the post a job section. Click on this and now you will be taken to the job posting site. Click on post a job once again and now you will be asked to create an employer account if you don't already have one. Simply type in the name of your company and then choose your number of employees. Then enter your first and last name and then enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, tap on the continue button and now you can add your job information. Choose your industry and the sub-industry as well if it is applicable. Then enter a description for your company within the company description section. Finally, you will be allowed to enter the job that you are seeking to post. Type in your job title followed by the number of people that you want to hire for this job. Then choose what kind of job it is, whether remote, hybrid, or in-person location. Finally, click on the continue button and you will be asked to add further information. Choose whether it is a part-time, full-time, or a fixed-term situation and enter the expected hours as well. Then you can choose the schedule option and then choose whether there is a planned start date for this job. After choosing all of your information and entering the start date, click on the continue button once again and then you will be able to add your payment information. You can choose the range option or the exact amount and also starting and maximum amount. Then choose the pay rate and finally enter the expected hours. You can also choose to add supplementary pay options as well as benefits. Finally, click on continue and after finalizing a few more settings, your job will officially be posted on Indeed. And once it has been posted, you will simply need to review the various applications that you receive and then choose your ideal candidate for the job. And there you have it. That is how you can post a new job on the Indeed job search website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.